Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate dark. First, gather your cocoa beans, cocoa butter, and sugar. You'll also need a grinder, a refiner, and a tempering machine. Begin by sorting your raw cocoa beans, removing any debris or imperfect ones. This initial preparation ensures a high-quality final product. We'll then move on to roasting, which is crucial for flavor development. Next, roast your sorted cocoa beans at a temperature around 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This process develops their deep, complex flavors. After roasting, allow the beans to cool completely. Then, winnow them to separate the brittle husks from the valuable cocoa nibs. This step is vital for a smooth, pure chocolate texture. Now, grind the cocoa nibs into a fine paste, known as cocoa liquor, using a melanger or stone grinder. This can take several hours. Once the liquor is smooth, add your sugar and any additional cocoa butter. Conching then refines the chocolate's texture and removes unwanted volatile acids, enhancing its overall flavor profile. This stage is critical for achieving a luxurious mouthfeel. Finally, temper your chocolate to give it a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap when broken. This involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to stabilize its crystal structure. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your chosen molds and allow it to set completely. For more great content and other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade dark chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.